Hey guys, my name is Caroline and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to Goodwill and we're gonna do a challenge. So I'm not allowed to spend money anymore. I put a limit on myself as my New Year's resolution. So I have a $10 gift card that I got for a Secret Santa at school, and I have $10 in my wallet. So I'm gonna do a $20 outfit challenge. So basically what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to find an outfit. If you guys hear noise, I'm sorry, it's my window wipers. It's driving right now. It's driving. It's my window wipers. It's raining right now. So basically what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to find a full outfit with only $20 at Goodwill. I don't know if I'm gonna go for shoes and all that, but I'm gonna go for pants and a shirt, obviously. Maybe a jacket if I can find a good jacket. I think today's half off day, which I hope, because that just makes it easier for me. If not, I'm sure they have some kind of a sale going on though. So yes, and I know like my posting's been kind of like, oh, there's a puppy. Oh, he's probably cold. Anyway, sorry, I got kind of distracted. What was I saying? Oh, look at the puppy.
Go get it.
What was I saying? Davina, what was I saying?
I don't know. I don't remember.
I know my posting has been like inconsistent, but like I'm gonna try to be posting at least 2 to 3 times a week. When school starts up again, I know that's gonna be kind of hard, but I should be good. So either 2 or 3 times. I would like pick a certain day, but I don't know if I can like stay on that kind of a schedule. But I'll just try to post at least once or twice a week. When I get further along, I'll probably like make some sort of schedule of certain days that I'm gonna like post. But like for now, I'm not gonna do all that. I'm not that organized. I'm not looking at the camera a lot. I hope you guys don't mind. I'm like, ew. So yeah, I would do a drive with me, but it's raining and I really need to stay focused on the road. You're welcome, Mom. And yeah, oh yeah, my sister's here. I'm not driving by myself. And yeah, we'll be at Goodwill. I'll see y'all when I'm at Goodwill. Turns out it's not half off day, but like I don't feel like coming back next week and like saving this video till next week, so I'm gonna just do what I can today. I left my sister because I don't want to wait for her because it's too good for that. So now I'm running into the store. I don't really know what I'm looking for. I have 2 pairs of jeans that I want to try on, but like I don't know what my game plan is right now, and I'm trying to find like empty aisles so I can talk in. Ooh, Tommy. I'm trying them like flowy pants, so I'm gonna try those on. This is my post-nap hair, so I'm sorry if I look like such a mess. But I'm just letting you guys know you can't really hear me in the next few, like the next couple minutes because I was whispering. Oh my gosh, my family's so loud. Anyways, I was whispering because there were people around and I was a little shy. But like, yeah, just try to hear what I'm saying, I guess. I don't really know what else to say. I hope you can hear me because like I'm really whispering right now. I'm gonna check the men's section.
You're such a life.
So I'm checking the men's jeans right now because I'm usually fit in men's jeans and they're usually cute. So like these yellow ones. But yeah, there's a bunch today. Usually there's barely any, but today there's so many. So hopefully I find a good pair. My basket's looking kind of full right now. I'm looking for a white shirt. I found this white one, but like I don't really want to go for something too plain and basic because I have a white shirt at home. But I think I'm looking for white to go with those pants. Oh my gosh, everything's packed today. There's so much clothes. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted because this music's kind of loud. I'm in the randomest aisle ever, but look at this super cute little Tommy Hilfiger bag I found. I don't think I'm gonna get it, but like it would go with the outfit that I'm thinking of reading. So this is like crashing my whole cart. But yeah, it's super cute. Look at it. I think it's real. I don't really know. 14 bucks. It's cute though. So we just left Goodwill. It's really gloomy out here and like scary kind of. And I ended up spending $18.47. We still have $2. Look at how crisp these are. But yeah, so I'll show you guys my outfits when I'm home later. Probably I'll do like a little try on video. But I got a full, well, I didn't find any shoes or like belts or anything like that, or like even jewelry. I looked for jewelry, I didn't find anything. So I just got a shirt and I got some pants and then I got an extra pair of pants. So I'll show you guys those 3 things when I get home. That door's been acting real dumb. Unlock it. Slam it. I'll make sure. Sorry, my car's been malfunctioning. Hold on. Okay, yeah, that's all. I'll talk to you guys when I get to my house. So this is the final outfit that I ended up getting. So I just got this white like lettuce trim off the shoulder top. It's from H&M, but I got it at Goodwill, obviously. And these nice flowy pants that are just, they're stripes. They're white stripes, but like there's also polka dots in there. You can tell from the clips earlier, but you can't really tell right now. But I thought this was cute together, cute and simple. And then the other thing that I got was this blue pair of like dark blue denim mom jeans, and I feel like these are just like an essential in everybody's closets, and I don't have any, so I figured I'd pick some up. And yeah, that was my 20 bucks. Okay, so it's like late at night and it's been like a few days since I shot the first part of the video. So right now I'm just gonna talk like about thrifting and stuff while like I braid my hair. So those were the 2 outfits I ended up getting. Well, not 2 outfits, but like the 3 things that I ended up getting. I actually had a bunch of different pairs of jeans to choose through. Like I had, like my cart was full of jeans. But what made me end up picking those ones that I got was the fact that they're, oh, sorry, my bangs look gross. The fact that they were dark jeans, and I don't have dark jeans. Like dark mom jeans, I don't have any. So I figured I might as well just get those ones because the other ones are kind of like ones that I already had. And then those white pants, I really like them and they fit me good. I just figured I'd give you guys some like tips and tricks about thrifting. One of the things I don't like when like people like try to give you like tips about thrifting is like they talk about like finding like good stuff as if you really have a choice. Like not all Goodwills obviously carry the same thing because it's donated items, so you can't go and like expect to find Tommy because you probably won't. Like, I mean, yeah, it's possible, but most of the time that just won't really happen. Something I've learned is to always check like through everything, like through the sizes. Like even if you think like, oh, this isn't my size, like if you're looking for mom jeans usually run like their bigger sizes are actually smaller. So like I'm usually like a size like 12 in pants, 12 or 13, like around there. But like in mom jeans, like I'll have to find like a 16, because back then like the sizes were just different. Like if they were like vintage jeans, then the sizing is probably different. Always check like the men's department, because the men's department has really good jeans. Like a lot, I wouldn't say a lot of my jeans, but I do have a few pair of jeans that I got from the men's department, and they do fit me like mom jeans. Obviously the legs are a little bit wider, but that's really not that much of a problem because if you're gonna fold them anyways, it doesn't really matter. I'd say like don't be afraid to try different things. Like trying different things is a good way to like expand on like the way that you dress and stuff like that. So like
some of the stuff I wear now is something I would not have worn like 2 years ago. But sometimes you just have to push yourself out of your comfort zone. And like, I feel like, because sometimes when I wear like certain things to school, people like, I don't know, I feel like people look at me crazy.
Excuse my lack of vocabulary. Obviously, I don't know how to use any other word except for like, because I use it at least 20 times. So, my bad. You guys should like count how many times I've said like in this video, because it's a lot. Like, I'm not even kidding around. Like, just yeah, I'm sorry for all the repetition. Nah.
But like, it's something you just need to get used to, you know? Like, they're just not used to what you're wearing. But that's fine. Not everybody has to be used to what you're wearing. Oh, also, if I'm talking about the list, it's because I have my retainer on. Yeah. Finding days to go to the thrift is like always a good thing. Like, I don't know if Goodwills everywhere do it, but the Goodwills here have like every other Saturday is 50% off. That's always like a bonus, because I mean, obviously the clothes are already on like sale for like cheap, so might as well get them for cheaper, right? But like, there's so many different thrift stores out there. Like, even if they're not well known, like, they could still have good stuff. So I feel like you just have to like look. Like, take a day with your friends and go look at all the thrift stores. Just like, don't get discouraged. Like, everyone has their good days thrifting and their bad days thrifting, but it's common. Like, obviously there's not always going to be good stuff at the thrift, so you might as well just try again the next week, you know? If you're real petite, try the little boy section, try the little girl section. Like, you never know what you can find. Like, there's always something you could find. Like, check through the skirts, check through all the jackets. All of my jackets are from like the thrift store, because it's just a really good place to like find them, you know? Like, and you can find cool stuff like vintage windbreakers, stuff like that. Like, you just have to be constant, because you can't expect to like go 1 week and get mad because you didn't find anything, and then don't go for like another 2 weeks and then get mad because you still don't find anything. You have to be consistent with it. I feel like being consistent with it helps a lot, because every day they add new things. Literally every day they put out new things. Just trying to like get out there as much as you can. I mean, unless it's not really something you want to do, like, you don't have to. But like, if you want to find good stuff, go every now and then. Like, don't go once and then like wait a whole month to go again, because chances are you're gonna just end up finding things that you don't like still. That's all I really have to say. Hopefully one day I'll be able to do a better thrift haul, because like I said, I have too many clothes and they don't let me go thrifting anymore. But maybe I'll give some away, sell some at like a yard sale. Maybe I'll make a Depop. I tried making a Depop, but didn't really work because I didn't have PayPal. But maybe I'll start making make a new Depop. So that's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the post notification button so you're notified every time that I post a new video. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. So as always, have a good night, a good day, and a good morning.